Hi, this is Deb from the Quilt Factory. Did you know I have my first collection with Marcus Fabrics? Simply Wicked began shipping last month, and I couldn't be more excited to show it to you. But before I get into that, have you ever thought about how a fabric collection goes from idea to your local quilt shop? Enjoy this short video on how Simply Wicked went from concept to collection. Ideas come from a variety of sources. This collection actually started with a color concept. I knew I wanted something unique, different, and a collection that had absolutely no orange or yellow in it at all. Along with this color palette and black, I thought it might be a bit of a challenge until I envisioned black roses. And then I knew this collection needed to use classic icons. I wanted it to be a touch elegant with a slightly gothic feel. But this also meant that the images for the panel design needed to be opaque in order to capture the rich, dark colors. I use a variety of software and tools when I do digital artwork. I would need to draw them in Adobe Illustrator first, but I didn't want them to be flat, so I drew each part and planned the layout. Once the layout was set, I was able to export them as Photoshop files, then import them into Procreate on my iPad Pro, where I can use special brushes and tools to embellish or paint digitally the individual elements that go in the panel. Painted files are reassembled back in Photoshop while the garland and elements were drawn and laid out back in Illustrator. Once all of the drawing, painting, and repeats are done, the files are then sent to Marcus, where all of the colors are checked and fine-tuned. Files are adjusted for scale, and all of those files are sent back to me so I can use them in my software to design new projects for you. Simply Wicked consists of a 36 by 44-inch panel, 14 44-inch repeats, and our 108-inch wide back. Our strip it design has 7 different prints, and we liked those black roses so much we used them twice. Let's take a look at the different projects we created for you. We took a customer favorite, changed the center and the applique icons, and created Simply Spellbound. You could use this 55 by 55-inch table square to decorate your table for spooky season, or you could even use it as a wall hanging. Moonlit Magic is a simple piece throw with just a little bit of applique in the corners, and our Happy Jacks are 4 happy pumpkins in a 35 by 35-inch table topper. You could use that for a wall hanging as well. To order any of the patterns featured in this video, make sure to visit thequiltfactory.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope we'll see you next time for another concept to collection video. And if you want to stay in the know, hit that subscribe button below. Thanks again for watching. Go make something beautiful.